Hello, good morning everyone. So I am back once again with another video with one of the additive skills. One of one day webinar on Chat GPT, how we can use in Chat GPT, and I have put in add on the public health directly. So in the epidemiology, there is saying that there is a six honest serving men. So I think that's okay. There is some of the requirement to change on this, so we can add on this public health as well as in this part. So apart from this, my slide is not moving. So the one day free webinar on AI tool and AI tool and chat GPT for teaching and learning in design to equip the educators instructions and anyone like was interested in field of education with the knowledge and practical skills. So for effective integration of AI tool, how we can enhance our work. So chat GPT, I think that's okay. Nowadays if you are in any field, everyone is needing it, and everyone is at their uttermost of their knowledge they are using it. But there is a need to upgrade ourselves in the skills, so I have registered for this, and I think that's okay. You should also register for this. Apart from this, this one day webinar is also, they are also providing a certificate on this, but for certificate you have to pay 100 rupees. If I can say that in my perspective, I'm not much interested to pay and earn a certificate rather than giving more attention toward that key earning an skill. So I am weak in this part, so let's add this skill as well to add on our skill and to enhance our work and reporting and that all the part to more grooming it. So in this one day that we are going to learn about that fundamental of artificial intelligence and its application to our day-to-day and in your educations, and leveraging AI tools and chat GPT for personalized and our adaptive learning, and ability to design interactive and educational content as well as work content, daily use reporting, proposals, and a lot of things in which we can use it, as well as it will give the hand-on and practical in implementation AI powered teaching and assessment methods. So these all will be in this one day webinar only. So regarding Chat GPT, it is directly an open model developed by OpenAI. Whenever you will open that Chat GPT, then it will show that OpenAI, that website. So it has been developed by them. With the it has ability to generate human-like test-based, and it also assess a large amount of data. It can be it manages, and it helps in analysis of that all parts. So coming to this part, it has potential to support individual and communities. Likewise key in the last of my organization I was using it. If whenever I was working on that MDR data or with TBC India reports, so that is in the PDF part. Whenever you will copy, just copy it and paste in your chat GPT and give a one prompt to it, convert it Excel sheet. So what it will do, it will not going to generate an Excel sheet for you. What it will do, that it will arrange that all in the one column. In the column, just it will, you have to copy that code and just go and open one new Excel sheet, just paste it, your work has been done. So as per my limited knowledge, so I have used this one. So this is the one day hands-on. So I'm expecting a lot of enhancement and grooming in my skill. So from that background, you should also go and register for this, and the link has been I will provide in the description box. So, what is OpenAI? So, it's not an exam ongoing that we have to write a definition of OpenAI as like it has been we have seen in the film of 3 Idiot. What is the definition of machine? So, we are not going to learn about that, but OpenAI is just it simulate like human intelligence in machine, and it has programmed in that way to think and learn like humans, and it involves like which you gives the prompt now what I have written in the prompt convert in Excel. So that prompt develop an algorithm and allows machine to process that information, learn from it and make a decision, and on based of that it converts in the code form and just you have to copy and go in Excel and paste it. So it's like basically it's understand a language which we have prompt have given, and whatever the specific task and general has been given its ability to perform any intelligent task like you. So in the various field it's used, and nowadays it's getting used in healthcare, like basically artificial intelligence is used in medical images analysis, like basically uh, chest x-ray analysis, and MRIs. A lot of intelligence nowadays in the machines is going to be used, as well as in drug discoveries they are using that AI, and personalized medicines also. In finances they are by using AI they are detecting that fraud detections, and like with intraday trading and day-to-day trading that is going on, so on that base algorithm trading peoples are using. It plays a crucial importance in natural language processing as well as virtual assistants. So chat gpt is used in various fields. However, the technology like as chat gpt in public health, in this video that key it's examine potential use of chat public health, and whatever the prompt you will give it, it work on that. So potentially chat gpt in public health, whatever the part is upcoming, like was in the part of disseminating health information, and automated response on common queries, and mental health intervention through virtual conversations, it's help us. So as chat gpt provide instant access to information as well as health related resources, more accessible to broader audience, and availability is 24 into 7, operates round the clock, it's available, is scalable, large number of user queries simultaneously it scales. It's also have like basically some of the challenges over there, security and that all the purposes over there. So in the education, like was transforming the education sector and most widening, and a lot of the things nowadays we are using from this. So a major role it's playing in the education and support in this teaching and learning processes. So the first part for the chat GPT is natural language understanding. It is plays in the cognitive development of with the mind of humans. So ability of a machine to interpret human languages in contextual. So directly it works on this. Apart from this, contextual language. In the contextual language, it's in contextual information from all the surrounding context to enhance the understanding of the responses. Likewise, if you are going to just give a prompt of mental health, it will give a definition of mental health, addition of that some of the part, and another prompt if you are going to give that write a part on mental health program in India. So it gathers the data from the surroundings and provides you that that's coming on the contextual language. And a real-time interaction it's also provide that engages with users in prompt and immediate manner. Whatever you will write, so it will provide on immediate manners. So in this like basically in education's purpose, it is getting used and personalized tutoring, homework assistance, language learning support, interactive question and answer sessions. So personalized tutoring involves one-to-one and a small group session where instructor tailors the teaching approaches and individual needs and learning style of the students. While it's also provide language learning supports, also enhance language proficiencies as well, and question and answer sessions like is whatever the question you will write, so it directly provides on this individualized focus, individualized needs and their assistance it's provide, and skill development, language speaking, that all the parts got over here. So, benefits of Chat GPT. So, accessibility and inclusivity is over there. So, accessible learning material for visually and visual impairment over there. So, it ensures that a student of visual impairment can access the same education content in their peer promoting and opportunities for learning, and availability is 24 into 7 round the clock is over there. Apart from this, is scalable for large classrooms, and that all these scenarios can be used over here. Personalized learning path is specific to any of your topic. While while I was going through this, so strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So there is one of the research paper by uh, Plinto P. Mortia. He is from the School of Public Health Sciences, University of Waterloo, Canada. So a group of people has been written. Sorry. So a research paper that applying Chat GPT in public health as SWOT analysis and pestle analysis. So that's a paper link I will provide in the description. It has been published in Frontier. So they have did this part of strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So for the weakness, potential for misinterpretation of miscommunication always over there. Inaccuracy in understanding of human language and context. Sometime whatever the command you will give, that is not going to be answered in the same context in which you are expecting. So you have to give 2 to 3 on this. So a time in getting loss of time is over here. A risk of providing incorrect or misleading health information is also there chances. Privacy concern, vulnerability to hacking and data breach is always be over there. So likewise, whenever we write the research paper for plagiarism check, that online platform which free wala part we are using rather than using the Turnitin and paid version, so there is a chance of getting that details exposed out. So we should avoid this. Specifically, our major part of research paper is specific to our PhDs, and for any writing parts of specific to our organization level. So that specific information and data is going to be loose. Bias in information provision is also over there. So opportunity is that key personalized health data will be provided. It also assists in disease surveillance and epidemic information, monitoring of social media for emerging health risks, health risk like with mental health. Nowadays, the research is ongoing, so the use of it is going to be helpful over there. Real-time notification about epidemic in a specific region is also there, facilitating communication and collaboration in healthcare. It helps on. It improves the quality of care and health outcome. It helps in that part. It's opportunity over there. Sorry. addressing healthcare access barrier and stigma. It helps in enhancing communication between healthcare provider and patient by use of AI. It's going to be help on this. While threat of using chat GPT in public health, distribution of inaccurate information, likewise chat bots provide inaccurate deceptive health information sometime when we are using potential error due to biased training data and language model limitation. And the second part is maintenance of bias, possibility in existing bias present in health data is chances over the reduction in human connection. So threat is that it's human empathy and personalized care. If chatbot replaces human interaction and care will be threat for us, and a digital divide widening will be over there. So this is a pictorial depiction of that all the part which we have discussed, that is directly from the reference of this research paper is strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. While on the other part, when the author has been gone to identify that pestle analysis, pestle in the pestle analysis, political factor, government policies and regulation influences. Sorry. So it influences likewise we can take an example of NDHM, National Digital Health Mission. So government initiative promoting AI in healthcare, and a regulatory framework for AI in health are evolving, impacting chat GPT implementation. Political support or resistance shape investment, data governance and ethical consideration. While economic factor, let's close this one. Economic factor, evolution of cost effectiveness, affordability and sustainability. Uh, for this, India's economic consideration evolving assess the cost effectiveness of AI technologies in public health, economic disparity in healthcare access and financial implication, consideration of job implication, economic disparities and financial as well. While pestle for the its second part, socio-cultural factor. Socio-cultural factor, public acceptance, trust and perception of AI. Uh, and privacy, data security and impact on patient provider relationship, cultural norms, beliefs, attitudes towards AI driven healthcare relationships. So this intervention differs, like a socio-cultural factor differs across region, impacting the adoption of chat GPT. Technological factor, advancement in natural language processing and machine learning. In this, like India's technological landscape in healthcare is advancing with the integration of chat GPT and with electronic health records and advancement of natural languages processing the critical consideration. While legal factor, examination of legal and regulatory framework, India has data protection law, so ensuring compliance with the legal requirements. Environmental factor, assessment of energy consumption and carbon footprint. In this, likewise, India focuses on sustainability aligned with environmental consideration, assessing that carbon footprints of AI infrastructure, and India always promote eco-friendly practice in data management as it's essential. So for the more detailed parts, we can cover it, we can learn it, and we can excel our skills by joining this one day webinar. So I am joining. That hopes is add some of the parts in us. And till the time, take care. Bye.